When I started working in Mexico, it's like a male world. In Saint-Gobain, I haven't felt this type of sensation of differences between men and women. I'm glad every time that I see a table where women are majority. Last month, we had a meeting here when we all realized that we were like 9 women and 1 man there. So we were pretty happy. My name is Daniela Lomeli, and I'm the product manager for the acoustics. I started as a design architect in Mexico, but I decided to change roles. My role here is to be the main representation for our portfolio. I work in conjunction with lots of departments. One of the things that I really liked about working at Saint-Gobain was to be in contact with architects, because you're like an advisor for them, to give them solutions for their problems. It was great. And now that I changed to the development for products, it's even better, because now I'm a little bit deeper in the manufacturing process to see from raw materials to complete finished goods. It's great to see that process and also to be involved in all the developments. I think for every woman in a workplace, it's gonna be different for sure. Even if they work in the same plant or in the same building, their position will be different. So they need to find their voice and their confidence to speak up. You need to push a little bit harder to be heard and to be successful. So I think women, you are maybe doubtful of saying exactly what you're thinking. But now that I'm here after 1 year and a half, I think that I have the confidence to speak about the things that I want to speak and to give my opinions. You need to find that confidence wherever you're working, to take risks and to learn more is always better. At first, yeah, I was doubting of my decision, but then I figured out that it was the best for me. I'm Daniela Lomeli, and I'm a manufacturer.